Welcome to aminacademy.com. In discrete mathematics, let us discuss about combinations. Each of the different groups or selection which can be made by taking some or all of a number of things at a time means irrespective of the order is called a combination. Means here number of combination of n things, number of combination of n things taken or at a time is called NCR, n combination or you can say this C of n comma r. Now let us discuss further about here NCR, value of NCR. Each combination consists of or different things which can be arranged among themselves is r factorial ways. Therefore, the number of arrangement for all the NCR combination is NCR into r factorial. Now, here NCR into r factorial equal NPR. This is a formula. Therefore, we can say NCR equal NPR. First we can write NPR over r factorial, which is further equal NPR is n into n minus 1, n minus 2 dot 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 and n minus r plus 1 over 1 r factorial is 1 2 into 3 into 4 up to r factors. Therefore, we can say NCR equal n factorial over n minus r factorial into r factorial, and NPR equal n factorial over n minus r factorial. These are the relations. Now note this point here, NCN equal 1. Now put r equal to n in NCR formula, then we get NCN equal n factorial over n minus n factorial into n factorial, which is equal n factorial over n minus 1 is 0 factorial into n factorial. N factorial and factorial cut, 0 factorial value is 1, therefore 1 over 1 is 1. Now we will look further. Here NCR equal n into n of C n minus r. We can prove that. Now NCR equal, we know that n factorial over n minus r factorial into r factorial, let it be 1. Now like that NC n minus r, we can say n factorial over n of n minus r factorial into n minus r factorial, which gives further n factorial over here n minus n plus r equal n and n cut, it becomes r factorial over n minus r factorial. Let it be 2. From 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we get NCR equal n into n of c n minus r. One more thing, here n c of r minus 1 plus n c r equal n plus 1 of c r. Let us prove this. RHS n plus 1 of c r gives n plus 1 factorial over r factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial. Let it be 1. Now LHS equal n of c r minus 1 plus NCR equal n of c r minus 1, we can get it n factorial over r minus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial plus n factorial over r factorial into n minus r factorial. Now n minus r plus 1 factorial is equal n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial, and you can say r factorial is r into r minus 1 factorial. By using these conditions, we can get therefore RHS equal n factorial over r minus 1 factorial into n minus r factorial, which is taken out common, then 1 over n minus r plus 1 plus 1 over r, which gives n factorial over into, by cross multiplying, take this one, r by simplifying r plus n minus r plus 1 over r minus 1 factorial into n minus r factorial into n minus r plus 1 into r. Then further, let us use some space for this. Now further simplifying, we get here n plus 1, because r minus r cut here, n plus 1 factorial over r factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial, because here r into r minus 1 factorial is r factorial. Let it be this is 2. Hence from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we get NCR minus 1 plus NCR equal n plus 1 of CR. Here, since we have R minus 1 factorial into R equal R factorial. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.